Hello there, this is Derek and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm just going to be sharing with you the best app and website you can use in earning free Bitcoin. And at the end of the video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to be able to drive traffic in order to increase your revenue with this strategy. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. Don't forget to like this video, share to anyone you think this is going to be helpful to them. And without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So first of all, I'm going to show you the website on my PC before I show you on my iPad and then on my Android phone, because I want you guys to know it's compatible for both Android and iOS. And basically, this is how you're going to see the interface of the website. When you open the website like this, coinbase.com, which I'm going to leave the link in my description, and you click on get started, right? So when you hit on get started, you're going to see a form like this, which is basically the easiest way to sign up on any website. So you put in your first name, your last name, your email, you choose a password, and then you take this side before you hit on create account. And mind you, you should put in your name. That is very, very legal, because you know, when it comes to cryptocurrency, you're about investing or gaining a lot of money, which you need to pay attention to. So I'm going to log into my account, and basically this is how it's going to look like. So when you open your account, this is my homeland currency. So you can change it to your currency based on wherever you sign up. Your country's currency is going to pop up right here, so don't worry about the currency right there. So this is Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all. You can just see the way the stock market is moving and all. But if you feel maybe you've not seen whatever you want right here, any cryptocurrency you feel you've not seen right here, you can head on this side, discover more assets, and you're gonna see a page where it's going to be lined up or itemized right there, and you're going to look through and then choose which of them you feel you want to trade on or whatever you want to do. But in today's video, I'm just going to share with you how you're going to earn free Bitcoin. So without further ado, I'm just going to go to my phone and iPad and show you how you're going to be able to earn with both your Android and then iOS. When I finish, I'm going to share with you on the PC again how you're going to earn a lot of money with this strategy. So stick around, don't miss anything, don't skip this video, else you're going to miss a lot. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to just get this on an iOS device. So first of all, what you're going to do is you go to your app store and then you search for this application, which I'm going to share with you right away. So when your app store opens, you hit on the search bar and then you search for Coinbase app and then hit on search, and you're going to see it popped up right away. So when it pops up, the first thing you're going to do is you hit on it and then you just hit on download. Basically, that is what we are going to do. So I'm going to show you what you're going to see after you've signed up and then logged in into your account on your iPhone or iPad. So afterwards, I'm going to show you the same way. If you are watching this video with an Android device, don't worry, I've got you covered. So don't skip this video. I'm still going to show you how you're going to do this with an Android phone. So when you open your Coinbase app like this is how the interface is going to look like. I'm using an iPad. That is why you can see I'm able to adjust it anyhow I want it. So when it opens like this, if you are new, you still want to sign up with your iPhone or iPad, you're just going to click on get started, right? And then the form is still going to pop up, and then you sign in with the necessary logins or necessary legal names you want to use on this application. If you are already signed up, you're just going to go to sign in, and then you're going to click here and then put in your email. So you're going to put in your email and your password right there, and you're going to hit on sign in, and it's going to open your account. So this is what I want you guys to pay attention to. After you've signed up to this app, you're going to be able to just turn this notification on so that you're going to be able to just get any changes or any security alerts whenever there is any changes in the app, or maybe whatever you are doing, whatever transaction or trading you are doing. When there is a notification, you're going to get any alert right away. So make sure you turn it on when you are logging in for the first time. So I'm going to hit on settings right away, and then I'm going to show you some necessary things. You can choose to add pin right here, any pin right here, so that when you log in, any random person cannot just pick your phone and then log in and then know whatever is going on in your app. Else they can just log in and then send money anytime, any day. So when you open the app right away and then you hit on settings, you're going to see this thing right here beneath my name. You see share your love of crypto and get 58 cedis of free Bitcoin. Getting 58 cedis of free Bitcoin, you can convert it to any currency, which is equivalent to $10. So you're going to be able to just earn $10 anytime you share this link right here, this link that is stated copied, because I just copied it. When you share it to any friend or anyone, you're going to be able to just earn 58 cedis. That is equivalent to $10. And the cool part of this all is both of you are just going to make this money. You will both get $10 in free Bitcoin when your friend buys or sells 580 worth of Bitcoin. So if your friend buys or sells $100 of Bitcoin, you're going to be able to just earn $10. That is basically very cool about this thing. So what I'm going to share with you is you're going to copy this one right here, and then you share it to anyone. you think is interested in Bitcoin, or anyone who want to really invest in Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is really on the rise, and Elon Musk and Snoop Dogg and influential people are talking about cryptocurrency. So a lot of people really want to get on board and know how they're going to also get money out of it. So this is the time you guys need to pay attention and then take this serious, so that you're going to be able to just earn it. Because maybe you want to earn money, you want to earn Bitcoin, but you don't have money on you right away, and you can start out from here. Go online and you're going to be able to just make people sign up with your link, and you're going to earn some money. So I'm going to show you how you're going to be able to just share your links right here and then get people to just click on them, so that you're going to be able to just earn money. So stick around so that you don't miss anything, and I'll show you how you're going to be able to do this too on your Android device. Very snappy. So when you're an Android user and you still want to get this app, you're just going to go to your store and then type in Coinbase, and you're going to see right here, and then you just hit on install, and then it's going to install, and you do the necessary sign-ups, right? If it's your first time you are logging into this application, you're going to do the necessary sign-ups you need to do, and this is how it's going to pop up. It's going to open, and you're going to be able to just copy this link right here and then share it to people. So that's how you're going to be able to make money from this website. So the next thing I'm going to share with you is how you're going to be able to just share to a lot of people, because with this you're going to be limited to just some few people, but you can send it worldwide, and a lot of people are going to come at you and they're going to make some money. So stick around so that you don't miss anything. So first of all, I'm going to share with you how you're going to make more money after just creating this account and then sharing the link out to the social network. So first of all, I'm just going to show you with my YouTube analytics. I actually created this video and then shared it on Twitter. What I'm trying to mean is you need to create a Twitter account, a Facebook account, a Quora account, and that is basically very cool. So this is what you need to do when you get on Twitter. You see this video right here is having about 92% of traffic from Twitter, and when I click on see more right here, you're going to see the number of people who came to this video through Twitter. And you see this one right here, Twitter, you're going to see 444 people came to watch this video from Twitter. And when I scroll up like this, you're going to see about 825 views on this video, and then 444 came from Twitter. When I go to my Twitter page and then show you the engagement I got when I posted this video link on Elon Musk's page. So he was talking about DOGECOIN, which is even flying up high, and right now Bitcoin is also flying high. So you can just go to his page, drop your link right there, tell people this is a good wallet you guys need to try out, and I've really tried and I'm getting a lot of money and all. And people are going to click on your link. So when I click on the engagement side like this, and you guys are going to see the impressions I've gotten so far from this one tweet I posted right there. 12,000 impressions, almost 13,000, with 632 engagements alone. And you see 108 people coming to watch the video through this tweet, and that is basically cool. I dropped a lot of links right here. That is why I got about 444, because if you are seeing this one giving me 108 and 444 came from there, I dropped a lot of links. So you guys need to drop a lot of links right here. You don't drop one link and then sit down and think it's gonna work. No. So let's go to Quora. This is how Quora also works. A lot of people, you're gonna just type in here the best Bitcoin wallet. So when you type in best Bitcoin wallet, what you're gonna do is you come down right here by time and you click on past month. You don't want it to be all time or past year or something else. You're gonna see older questions that are not basically cool. You're gonna get people not really clicking on that one. So with this one, what you're gonna do is, what Bitcoin wallet is the best between blockchain wallet and then Luno wallet as a new investor in Bitcoin business? So you see this person is a very new person, and you can just click on this and then answer the question from whatever question he's asking right here, and you can tell him you are also a new investor but you are gaining a lot of money using this Bitcoin wallet, and he can also try it out. And you can see a lot of people are giving him answers, and that is basically cool. He's got 48 views after giving him this guy an answer. This one also got 13 views, and you can just drop your answer to, and you might not know, a lot of people will just come and then be watching whatever answers you have given right here, and your own might be one they might pick, and that is a win for you, and you're going to get people just linking up right there. What is the best Bitcoin wallet in Australia? You can drop your link right here, tell him a little bit of cool things you need to know, and then you drop your link right there. The next thing I want to share with you is actually create a Facebook account. If you have one, you are good to go, and then type in Bitcoin investments, and then there's one cool thing I want you guys to know: stock market 2021. So a lot of people are going to go to this site. You see they have 177,000 members, and you're going to just join this group. After you join this group, you click on the members and you go to the new people. Those are the newer people, and then you can hit up on them one by one. Probably might pick about 10 or 20 people. You inbox them and then you tell them, I know you are new to Bitcoin, and this is one Bitcoin, cool Bitcoin wallet. I think that is going to help both of us. And when you sign up with this link, you're just going to make $10 anytime you sell or trade, or when someone also signs up and then you sell or trade, they're also going to make $10, and that is basically cool. It's gonna really tell them you're gonna make some free Bitcoin even just using this app, and they're gonna just tap on it. So that is one thing you can use to boost your money with this application, and that is basically cool. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because I have a lot I want to share with you anytime, any day. When I get a new thing on any app, any social network, anything that is basically going to help you in your life, I'm just going to come at you and then put it up to you so that you're going to try it out too. If it works for you, we go on and then we move on. So subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to like this video. Share it to anyone you think is out there who is also going to be cool with this thing. And without further ado, I'm just going to catch you in the next video. Peace.